Title: History of Measurement of Time in India. India had the tradition of studying minute planetary movements. Calculations continue to be made on the basics of the movements of the Earth, Moon, and the Sun. To bridge the difference in the motion of the Sun and the Moon, there has been a practice of adding an extra month known as Adhik Mas. The various units of time and their reasons have been described below in brief. Sawan day, in which the Earth rotates on its axis at a speed of 1600 km per hour. To complete one rotation, it takes 24 hours. That part of the Earth which stays in front of the Sun for 12 hours has been called Aha, and the part that is behind has been called Ratra. This way, there are 24 horas in one Ahoratra. It seems as if the word har in the English language is the slang form of the hora. Sawan Din has been called Dhu Din, known as Earth Day. Next, Saur Day. The Earth is going around the Sun at a speed of 1 lakh km per hour. A 1 degree movement of the Earth is called a Saur Din, known as Solar Day. Next, Chandra Din or Tithi, in which a Chandra Din or lunar day has been called a Tithi. For example, Ekam, Chaturthi, Ekadashi, Purnima, Amavasya, etc. The movement of the moon to the 12th part while going around the earth is called a Tithi. Next, Saptaha, known as week, in which the days of the week and their sequence throughout the world are the same as has been discovered in India. The sequence of the planets was determined as per their progressive distances from the Earth. Hence, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Sun, Venus, Mercury, and Moon. Of these, the Moon is the closest to the Earth and Saturn is the farthest. Each planet is the ruler for 1 hour out of the 24 hours of Hora day. Hence, each of the 7 planets become the ruler for 1 hour by turn. This cycle goes on, and once the 24 hours are complete, the name of the next day is according to the planet that is the ruler in the first hour of that day. Since creation started with the sun, hence the first day of the week was Sunday and the other days were named sequentially. Next, fortnight, in which the moon, while going around the earth, moves 12 degrees, it is known as a Tithi. On the new moon night known as Amavasya, the moon lies between the sun and the earth. This is called 0 degree. When the moon moves 12 parts and is at a speed distance of 180 degrees from the sun, it is called full moon known as Purnima. The fortnight from the first day after Amavasya to Purnima is called the Shukla Paksh, and the fortnight from Purnima to Amavasya is called Krishna Paksh. Next, month. For the purpose of calculations, 27 constellations known as nakshatras have been accepted. First, Ashwini. Second, Bharani. Third, Kritika. Fourth, Rohini. Fifth, Mrigashira. Sixth, Ardra. Seventh, Punarvasu. Eighth, Pushya. Ninth, Ashlesha. 10th, Magha. 11th, Purva Falgun. 12th, Uttar Falgun. 13th, Hast. 14th, Chitra. 15th, Swathi. 16th, Vishakha. 17th, Anuradha. 18th, Jyeshtha. 19th, Mool. 20th, Purvashraha. 21st, Uttarshraha. 22nd, Shravana. 23rd, Dhanistha. 24th, Shathabhishak. 25th, Purva Bhadrapad. 26th, Uttar Bhadrapad. 27th, Revati. Each of the 27 constellations were divided into 4 quadrants. Thus, there is a total of 108 quadrants. According to the shapes of 9 of these quadrants, the 12 zodiac signs were given their names. First, Aries. Second, Taurus. Third, Gemini. Fourth, Cancer. Fifth, Leo. Sixth, Virgo. Seventh, Libra. Eighth, Scorpio. Ninth, Sagittarius. 10th, Capricorn. 11th, Aquarius. 12th, Pisces. The line of the signs on earth were determined. It was called Kranti. The lines are believed to be 24 degrees north and south of the equator. Hence, the name of this sign which the sun reaches during the rotation of the earth is given to that solar month. These months generally neither increase nor decrease. Next, lunar month, in which the lunar months got their names from the star known as Nakshatra, that is visible throughout the month from evening to morning and in which the moon acquires completeness. First Chaitra, second Vaishakha, third Jyeshtha, fourth Ashadha, fifth Shravan, sixth Bhadrapad, seventh Ashwini, eighth Kritika, ninth Mrigashira, tenth Pushya, 11th Magha, 12th Falgun. Hence on the sub-basics, the months were named Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ashadha, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartika, Margashirsha, Paush, Magh and Falgun. Summer solstice and winter solstice 5. The earth is tilted to 31/2 north westward on its axis. Therefore, 231/2 north and south of the equator are the places that the sun rays fall vertically. This is called Sankranti. The line which is 231/2 north is called the Tropic of Cancer or Kark Rekha, and 231/2 south is called the Tropic of Capricorn or Makar Rekha. The line with 0 the equator is called the Vishwavritta Rekha. The Kark Sankranti is called Uttarayan or summer solstice, and Makar Sankranti is called Dakshinayan or winter solstice. Next, measure of a year in which at a speed of about 1 lakh km per hour the earth completes one revolution around the 966 million kilometers path of the sun in 365 half days. This period is considered to be 1 year. Measure of an age in 4,32,000 years. All the 7 planets leave their longitude and latitude and collect in one place. The time of this conjuncture is Kali Yuga. When 2 conjunctures takes place, it is Dwapar. When 3 take place, it is Treta. And when 4 conjunctures take place, it is called Satyuga. In the Chaturyugi, all the 7 planets along with their longitude and latitude lie in one direction only. The present Kali Yuga, according to the Indian calculations, started 3102 years BC on the 20th of February at 2 hours 27 minutes and 30 seconds. At that time, all the planets were under one zodiac sign. In this context, there is worth making a note of what Bally, the famous astronomer of Europe, has to say. According to the planetary calculations of the Hindus, the present age, that is Kali Yuga, started 3102 years ago on the 20th of February at 2 hours 27 minutes and 30 seconds. As such, these calculations were made even to the second. The Hindus further say that all the planets were under the same zodiac sign at the time of Kali Yuga, and their tables also say so. The calculations made by the Brahmins proven absolutely correct according to our astronomical tables. This is only because the results have been obtained by direct observation of the planets. Theogony of Hindus by Zoroastrianism, page 32. According to the Vedic sages, the present universe is made of 5 mandals known as orbits, in which the moon orbit, earth orbit, Akorsan orbit, Paramishta mandal and the Swayambhu mandal. They are progressively moving around the higher orbits. Manvantara, the time that the sun takes to complete one orbit of the center of the Milky Way, Paramishta mandal, has been called a Manvantara. It measures 30 crores 67 lakhs and 20,000 years. The difference between 2 Manvantaras, Sandhyans, is equal to 1 Satyuga. Therefore, the measurement of 1 Manvantar along with its Sandhyans is 30 crore 84 lakhs and 48,000 years. Om Asya Shri Vishnuradhya Pravartanamanasya Brahmadham Dvitiye Parahadre. The mantra means that in the unending wheel of time pioneered by Mahavishnu, the age of the present Brahma was completed 50 years. Shveta Varha Kalpe Kalpa means that it is first day of the 51st year of Brahma. Vaivasvata Manvantare, there are 14 Manvantaras in one day of Brahma. Seventh of this is the Vaivasvat Manvantara, which is going on. Ashtadvinshatithame Kalyug. There are 71 Chaturyugis in one Manvantar. Of this, the Kalyug of the 20th Chaturyugi is going on nowadays. Kalyug Prathamacharane, the beginning of the Kalyug, Kalisamvate or Yugdhyapthe. At present, the Kalisamvat or Yugdhyapthe is 5108 2006 AD. Jambudvipe, Brahmavarthadishe, Bharatkhande, names of continents, region and country. In such and such place of work. In such and such Samvatsar, name of the Samvatsar. In such and such Ayane, Uttarayan or Dakshinayan. In such and such Ritu or season, there are 6 seasons including the spring season. In such and such month, there are 12 months like Chaitra,